Closely examine the entire length of each seam. Look for missing or broken stitches. If you see either, note it on the inspection form. Include the specific location of the missing or broken stitch. Check each seam's integrity. Do this by pulling on the seams in a way comparable to the stress you might put on a seam when wearing the garment. Grasp material on both sides of the seam and pull in opposite directions. Work your way down the seam, testing the entire length. If you observe any looseness, note its location on the inspection form. Closely inspect all the fabric on the outer shell. Look for physical damage such as rips, tears, cuts, and abrasions. Damaged or missing hardware. Thermal damage, charring, burn holes, embrittlement, melting, or discoloration. Discoloration, significant changes in material texture, and loss of material strength can be signs of UV, heat, or chemical degradation. If you discover or suspect one of these, document it on the inspection form, then test the outer shell's strength. Grasp the part of the fabric you believe may be damaged with both hands. Now try to push your thumbs through the fabric. If you can, the garment should not be returned to service until it is properly repaired. One of the biggest threats to turnout gear is exposure to light, whether it is generated by the sun or fluorescent fixtures. Prolonged exposure to light can severely reduce the strength of fabric and seams in turnout gear and greatly impair its ability to provide protection. Discolored fabric is one symptom of overexposure to light. If you observe discoloration in either the outer shell or on the face cloth of your thermal liner, test its strength. Inspect your coat and pant shells for missing, burned, loose, melted, or torn retroreflective trim. Loose trim or trim with missing stitches should be documented on your inspection form for repair. If the trim maintains its retroreflectivity, it can be resewn to the garment.